Alrighty, so first start with this circle for the hoodie, well, oval. The original image isn't really symmetrical at all, so it's going to be a bit difficult to explain the shapes and stuff like that. You're kind of just going to have to follow what I'm doing here. I'm going to try to go as slow as possible and give as much detail as I can. So my only way to describe this shape is like, do you know when you have a profile picture and it's just blank? It has that guy that's just there in grey. So I guess kind of imagine that with the line at the bottom a bit more slanted. Okay, so this is the basic outline of everything. Pause the video, make sure you've got everything kind of looking like this. Doesn't need to be exactly the same. After this, we're gonna start adding in the details.
Baby, don't you go away. I like the way you play. You got that own new way. Come show me where you stay. You, I don't want it if it's worth nothing. I don't, you know what I'm saying. If you want it, then show me that it's worth something. Cause I be wanting you to come away. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. Call my phone, I'ma come through. Don't go away, baby, don't move. These girls don't shake cause they know you. These girls don't hate cause we're on. If I pull up in the old school, then them girls gon' show you. Then them girls gon' roll through. I'ma do what I do, baby.
Alright, here we're doing the exact same thing, just adding the details, refining the hoodie.
These are old school brothers that stay with me. Baby, don't you go away. I like the way you play. You got that own new way. Come show me where you stay. You know I don't want it if it's worth nothing. I don't, you know what I'm saying. If you want it, then show me that it's worth something. Cause I be wanting you to come away. Baby, don't.
So a little tip for drawing a chain, you can just draw a basic line first and then outline it, making it bigger.
Do no throwaways. Baby, don't go away. I don't do no throwaways. Baby, don't you go away. I don't do no throwaways. First things first, I go by the name of Nemi. But some of you may already know me by the way I kill beats, the same way to kill Kenny. I flow just like a semi-automatic. I always stay on top like an attic. They wonder how I do it, got them all thinking it's magic. North Pole with a drip. I'm 10 times colder than an iceberg that sank the Titanic. So just like Rose at the end of the film, man, you ain't got jack. You claim to have the sauce, but you ain't got that. Control C, everything I do, you're just another me. But my heart's the fountain of youth, I got more recipes. So I keep flowing, forever and ever I keep going. There ain't no stopping me and you know it. 4 seasons in a year, but everywhere I go I'm so cold that it keeps snowing. Yeah, raise up my chalice, king of the waves at Atlantis. And we stay glow like an atlas. Oh, it's a madness, the way I bring the heat like a furnace. But yeah, I'm so cold like the snow is. Like the snow, like the snow, like the snow, like the snow. Yeah, you know that we cold like the snow, like the snow. Yeah, they're like, grazie. I'm like Prego, who else do you know is out here spitting this fuego? I bring the heat like in Lagos. Last giddy, heart of a hustler, don't mess with me. Single mother, took both roles raising me. And my brothers and sisters, we all used to eat from one plate on them rough nights with rough dinners. I'm surprised they ain't amongst all them drug dealers. Shit, life in the south, you see a madness, but you turn the other way, don't dare open your mouth, you're just in this for clout. You're just stoked like your name's Peter Crouch, but you're living in doubt. This life you ain't about. It's all fun and games when it gets tough. You're the first one running out, your head still in the clouds. By the time you wake, I'll be up while you're out here still living in drought. Get on my stilo. Wake up, go in, sleeping, won't win, cash, bling, go rings, birds, life, finding things, funds, fees, collect, peas, leave, you're washed, bleach, Fendi, Doge, Louis, Celine, sheep. Lee, wavy, Marines, Houdini. I told her I'd arrivederci. I'm too focused on Panini. After the green like I'm Loki. Luigi, yeesh. I want a piece of the quiche. Fresh out the boat, you think I'm moving keys. Sheesh, in the belly of the beast. Let me boy, I'm off the leash. She wanna get in my pants, cause she know I got the plans. But darling, I'm a immense. And I'd rather go for the bands. I'd rather go for the kill. Wait till I climb up the hill. Wait till I'm covered in meals. Let me, boy, you know the deal. Wait up, go in, sleeping, won't win, cash, bling, go rings, birds, life, finding things, post, delete, look, receipt, flex, repeat.
So the last part before we do the chain is the highlights. Here I'm just using a basic white pencil. Usually I use paint, but wherever I can get away with a pencil, I'd rather use that because it's a lot easier.
Get on my stilo.
Alright, so the last part of this drawing, we're gonna do the chain. Personally, I don't really like the original chain that was on the drawing, so you know I'm gonna add my own sauce to it. You know, you gotta get that Cuban link looking crispy. Like, I don't know what, like, shout out to whoever did the last one, but hey, you know how I be doing my chains over here. Like, we be doing them real icy, real big Cuban links, you know what I mean?
I'm about to reload. That of the style, that of the flash, that of my steelers. Ryan Hawaii, this ain't Machino. Finding my styles like trying to find Nemo. Run out of it when you looking no zero. Minimum wage, you're without Kenzo. You ain't got style, your clothes are just pricey. You could wear Gucci, you could wear ice cream, I could wear Primark, still look more icy, yeah. Cause I just starve for days. Could wear the same thing twice, and it turn different ways. Born in the sauce, look at the stuff. This is my season, now what you marinate. Ooh, check out the weight. Look at the kilo. They love my style, they love my flash, they love my stilo. Ooh, charged up. I'm about to reload. They love the style, they love the flash, they love my stilo.
Usually here I'd use an edding paint marker, I think they call them, but I'm noticing I use them 2 or 3 times and then they clog up and you have to buy new ones. So right now I'm exploring gel pens to see if they give the same sort of shine, so that's what I'm using right here.
Taking a piss, flick of the wrist, she get a gist. Oof, couldn't get better than this. No. We rocking skinny jeans, but still come from a biz. SE 18, 28, 10. You know the sticks. Look at the style. Oh, we so fly. Check out the altitude. Up in the sky.
So it's that time again. We're at the end of the video. I know you're sad, but don't worry, I'm gonna be back with another banger this week. That's a wrap for this one. As always, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.